Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 70 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is how small actions can create a big difference. So let's start. We often believe that changes comes through successful people, popular people, or hard work or anything, but it's not like that. Success comes through small steps which we takes every single day. For example, consider a seed. When you plant a seed, it grows into a tree, but it requires ample amount of water, it requires sunlight, it requires nutrients. Then only it grows into tree, and then it provides us fruit and shade. But so it requires patience. So same as success, it is the great example that shows that success does not come overnight. Success takes time. So we should understand that success really takes time, and it does not come only through hard work or smart work. It comes through consistent effort. A student who is studying for 1 hour every day, in one day he will feel that he is not doing anything. But when he will continuously study 1 hour for every day for 1 year, he will learn everything. He will learn thousands of concepts, thousands of formulas. He will be confident in himself. And he will be feeling that he is on a path to achieve success. So same is the case in society. When we throw a dust in a dustbin, when everybody will throw a dust in a dustbin or waste in a dustbin, and when everybody will conserve water, then our society will be growing, then our society will be grow. So there is a simple step we should follow. If each and every one will follow good step, then we will make incredible India. I have taken the example of seed. Same as there is a thought also that drop water makes ocean. One drop of water makes ocean. So in one day, if we put consistent effort daily, then at last we will be able to achieve success very easily. And reverse is also true. If one day we will study and we take another day gap and we repeatedly process this, we will not achieve success. We will be far away from success. So this is the life. So small habits or small actions can create a really big difference. Many famous influencers or many famous actors or the person who is at position like Raj Samani, he was not good at English. He has learned in English by consistently practicing it. So many people who have achieved success and who have achieved what they wanted to be, they have not achieved it in one night. They have taken lots of effort, lots of success. So what type of things we can do to achieve to make big difference? We can read books daily. Now, simple reading of 10 pages book will provide us ample amount of knowledge in 1 year. We can do exercise, we can do meditation, we can do yoga, exercise daily, we can eat healthy foods. We should have to think about physics also. Then only we will be able to improve ourselves. So this is life, and life belongs to those who work very hard and who work smart too. So we have to live life like that. As a tree cannot grow as a seed cannot grow into tree in a one day, same unsuccessful people cannot become successful in one day. It requires efforts. It requires consistent efforts. It does not require that you have to do extraordinary things in a day. No, you have to do only ordinary things in a day, but in proper manner. Then only you will achieve what you want. So be patient, continue to do hard work as well as smart work. So that's all for today's video. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.